Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Mynd Resident app is and how it's positioned. According to official App Store descriptions, Mynd Resident is a rental management app designed for tenants using Mynd management properties. It provides a centralized way to handle rent, maintenance, and communication with property managers from a mobile device. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official listings, the app allows users to make rent payments, including setting up recurring autopay or making one-time secure payments. It also includes payment history tracking, which lets users review past transactions directly within the app. According to official descriptions, users can submit maintenance requests, upload photos or videos, and track the status of service issues. The app provides direct communication with property managers and access to a 24-hour service desk for support. Official Mynd resources also indicate that residents can use the platform to pay rent, request repairs, and stay in contact with support teams through a unified portal experience. The app is specifically intended for Mynd residents, which means access typically requires being part of a property managed by the company. Some features, such as payment options or service capabilities, may depend on the specific property setup or resident account, and this is not confirmed for every case. This app may be useful for renters who want a single place to manage payments, maintenance requests, and communication with their property manager. For users interested in simplifying rental management tasks through a mobile interface, this could be an option. However, overall usability and feature availability can vary depending on property management setup and user experience, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.